Now for something completely different. This is my Interarms Mark X. It was gifted to me by my father-in-law. Really, he gave it to his wife, but she doesn't shoot rifle cartridges. Or not his wife, his daughter. My future wife. She doesn't shoot rifle cartridges, so the gun came to me. And what I'm doing to this bad boy, by the way, for those asking, it's chambered in .270 Winchester. I'm adding a PT&G bottom metal. There's the stock one there. Top feed has a trapdoor style floor plate on it. See, no big deal. I wanted a removable mag. It takes a standard AICS style box mag. This one is obviously by Magpul. It fits the bottom metal pretty well. I just need to make the bottom metal fit the action and the stock. So I've already gone ahead. For those that know this gun, they have a thumb safety next to this receiver tang. Well, the bottom metal didn't have a notch for that, so I had to add it. Hence the power file here on the table. Now, it works great. So I need to modify a couple other areas on this guy, and hopefully I'll have this done by tonight. So, onward. Alright, so I've taken the action screws out, as you can see. I did have to fit it a little bit around the trigger, but the safety engages all the way, front and back. This is going to be in the stock, so no one's ever going to see it anyway. Pulls off nice and easy. And I've also marked the action where I need to grind it. Right there. All that material needs to come off so the mag will sit all the way up. This is probably the scariest part of this whole project. Stocks are replaceable. I don't know if you can get another action. My phone's almost dead, so it'll probably be the last video of the night. Got some of the cutting done. I had to inlet the feed lips a little bit. So I'm gonna pop the bottom metal on and show you what's going on. Alright, so I got the bolt in. Mag is in. You can see clearance cuts for the mag lip, feed lip, interfere with the bolt face, but the mag seats all the way. Rattles side to side some, which I can fix that with Velcro, but front to back, very little. So I think this should work great. Okay, well my phone died on me, so I just went ahead and did it. So far, I've already got a snap cap in there. Bing. Pull that guy out. Slide the new one home. Bing. I only have two. So, the mag lock's in place. Slide this guy in here. I did have to make a slight modification to the PMag. I don't know if you guys are familiar with the Mauser bolt. Slide this guy out. The bolt face, right here and right here, about where my nail's at actually, was hitting on the magazine. Right, let me see if I can mock this up. Just like that. It's a bit exaggerated, but it was hitting the mag. So I took the file and rounded those edges slightly, and it seems to work. I did have to cut the feed lip. I did try it with the old bottom metal, and it actually still works. So that's cool. The stock is extensively modified now, though, so I don't know if I'd even want to go back to the stock bottom metal. What's not to love about a box mag anyway. Am I right? Hold on. There we go. So, PT&G Stealth magwell. P-mag. Still a little bit of side rattle, obviously. Front to back. I'm sure you guys saw that. It works.